As a negotiation consultant, I often get asked these three questions. Can I, and everyone actually, become a better negotiator? Is it possible for everyone to be a negotiation master? When should I negotiate? How do I know which situations I should negotiate and which I shouldn't? And finally, how do I know if I've really done well? Let me ask you this. If someone you knew was born and raised in the Shuk, let's say in Damascus or in the Far East or even South America, and I would ask you if you think that person enjoys the negotiating process. Intuitively, most of you would know the answer is yes. So that's important information for us because that tells us that negotiating is a skill. It's not a talent we're born with, and that means everyone has the opportunity to become a negotiation master. How have most North Americans historically negotiated? North Americans negotiate with their feet. We don't like this store, we go to that store. So it's a matter of developing a few key negotiating strategies along with the roadmap and following them for every North American to become a master, competent, and confident negotiator. It's just a matter of practice. When do we need to negotiate? We need to implement the Negotiate Smart strategies when the answer to two questions is yes. Do we care about the outcome? And do we care about the relationship? If the answer to those two questions is yes, then we know it's time to negotiate. How do we know if we've done well in a negotiation? The answer is once again yes to two questions. Did I get what belongs to me, given my leverage? And is my counterpart satisfied? If the answer is yes to those two questions, then you can consider that negotiation outcome successful. So in summary, everyone watching this video can become a master negotiator. You need to negotiate when the outcome and the relationship are important, and you know your negotiation was a success when both you and your counterpart are satisfied.